look at the first one here. All right, so we're still talking about kinder, right? The first is ELA, so we're still looking at kinder. You go across on the yellow, you'll see that in quintile 1, we have 10 students that are in the quintile 1. Our average score in quintile 1 is 52%, right? And that negative 29 is the difference between what? Those people and the average score, which is what? 81%, okay? So when we take MAP MOY, we should see some people move out of, right, quintile 1 and moving over into quintiles 2, and 2s should be moving over, right?
So this is, are you saying MAP or CFA?
Okay, this is CFA right here. But the only way to move out of a quintile is through MAP.
Okay.
Because MAP is determining who's in here, who's in this, in the group.
Okay.
So you can't move yourself out on a CFA, right? It's not possible. You can only move yourself out when we take MAP. Because MAP says that there are 10 people that are in, I'm just looking at ELA.
Okay.
There's 10 of our students, 10 of the 80 are in quintile number 1, based on MAP.
Based on
Yes, but this is their performance on CFA 1, exactly.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. They're taking the grouping from MAP, right, and then using CFA to report out. So those 10 students, according to MAP, that are in quintile number 1, this is how they scored on the CFA. Is that clear on that?
Yes.
Clear as mud, right? Okay. All right, so just so we're clear, everybody go find math. Okay. 3rd grade math. Let's look at 3rd grade math. All right. Let's look at the 3rd quintile. How many students do we have that are scoring in the 3rd quintile? 20. Okay. What is our average score? 45% on what? On what? What test? Math. CFA. This is CFA. That's the average score on CFA. What is the average summit score? 53. What's the average uplift score? 51. Does everybody see that? Is that any clearer?
Yes.
the average 3rd grade.
The average 3rd grader.
I think that's 20 to 45.
Okay. What's your question?
Oh, I was just like,
From what?
okay, so 3rd grade, looking at this 3rd quartile, their average score is 45, so it's 51 to
51 is the uplift.
and ours is 45, right?
No, our average score is a 53.
Okay.
Our average score is a 53 on that test. But in that quintile, yes, that quintile. Okay? So you can see there, still sticking with 3rd grade math, we don't have any students in the what quintile?
First
There
quintile.
are no students in the, woohoo! There are no students according to math in the 1st quintile. As you can see, we've got 8 in the 2nd quintile, 20 in the 3rd, 19 in the 4th, and 20 in the 5th. Okay? Right? It should be moving over, right? When will we see quintiles move? When will we see students move? Math.
Will they move middle of year math, or will they wait till the end of the year?
We'll get it again, middle of the year.
So it starts like the 2nd week in January.
It starts the day we come back. The day we come back.
And it goes till the end of the
It goes to the end of the month. It's a complete month of math. Okay. What questions do you guys have about your data? Okay. Any other questions on your data? How to read it? Got it? I practiced a long time on that, guys. I did because I thought I'm going to totally turn them around.
No.
These quintiles and quartiles.
Makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so everybody's clear on it? All right, what questions do we have? Is this helpful for us to see where you are, where we are right now? And this will be even more helpful in January when we start to see where students have moved, where they have moved. Now we can get this report again for CFA number 2, but we will have the same number of students in the quintiles, right? Because it won't move it. But we can report out how those students scored on CFA number 2, right? Is that clear? Yes. What questions do y'all have about the data? Yes?
I have a math question. Has anybody gone on those websites for math and looked to see if there's if we give them the links like over Christmas break, are they able to go on there and actually do activities?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I mean, I would. Scoop pads you can, and even that other link too has a lot of I can't remember which one it was on the list, but number 3 definitely, and there was another one on the list too that you could go down and they could work on it at home as well. I would highly suggest it. So what will happen is the computer lab 3 and 4, the computer lab is going to close those short days so that K and 1 can get in there and practice on that computer.
Okay.
All the short days in December.
The short days in December. So that they can get on there and practice that. Because I'm pretty sure, did we do that in the desktop lab before?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure we're on the laptop lab. So it's going to be a little different. It does have a mouse, but you know, it does look a little different for little people. Are they going to let us in? Oh, y'all took them off? Yep. Oh, we're going to have to put.
Oh, I remember that.
We'll have to get 24 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm just saying. Yeah, you'll just plug, we'll just plug in.
Okay, Lyndon's got some.
Put it back on there because you got to put the headphones and all that too. All right, any questions? All right, so we got what we're going to do for the holiday celebration, right? And I think there were a couple of emails floating around on families with needs. And so just as you feel led, you know, no pressure, but if you feel led to want to contribute to, there's a couple of families that are in need. So just go ahead and give those monies as you feel appropriate. And so don't feel like you need to, but if you're led to do that, by all means, I'm sure the families could definitely use our support this time. Even if you don't feel led to donate monetarily, I'm sure a card, just knowing, you know, that somebody cares about you is totally appropriate. All right, what other questions do we have?
I have a question for the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade teachers. I just wanted to make sure that everyone does want to go to the Nasher 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Is there anyone that doesn't want to take
Girl,
their
I didn't
class?
set everybody's field trip up, dates and everything, times and everything.
It was.
About an answer, so.
3rd grade and 5th.
3rd grade did.
I don't know.
But I had already done it.
No, I got
because
4th grade. I wasn't sure if all in 5th grade wanted to go
At the
though.
beginning of February.
We just didn't know what date.
I got
We
you.
want to go.
Yeah, everybody, yeah, I figured y'all did. I figured you wanted to go. Yeah, thank you for Amy for doing that. Yeah, it's a nice little trip. So we have some people going to Perot. Is everybody gone to Perot that's gone?
Tomorrow.
We go tomorrow. Perot is awesome.
Oh, 5th grade, y'all are going tomorrow? Y'all are going tomorrow, Monday,
And Tuesday and Wednesday.
and Wednesday.
Everybody.
Are you staying? Sarah? Okay.
Okay, yes. FYI on Perot.
Educators discount right now for membership.
Okay.
Just FYI, you guys, it's family, all the kids in the house, you can definitely get your money for it because you can't go through it in a day.
You can't, okay, it's there. So it's so pretty, so pretty. All right, if we don't have anything else, thank you so much for your attention. Continue to read through your staff notes, emails, all of that, so that you can be informed and be the one that people come to when they are wondering exactly what they should be doing. You be that person. All right, thanks. Question. She said,